this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In these, I'm going to show you how I can fix overheating problem and battery draining problem of your iPhone 11. It could be iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone Pro Max, whatever version you have. So fixing these two draining option overheating problem, we go to setting. In setting, go to sound and notification or sound and haptic feedback. Here you have to turn off all sort of notification or haptic feedback, because whenever you have haptic feedback or your phone is vibrating for calling, for application, for notification, it uses more battery. Other things you have to do and check all the time if your phone is heating and battery is draining. Slide phone down and check all the application at your phone are open. Always close all the application, because this application working on the background and reducing your battery and heating your phone. Even the games are more worse than cases. So close them all. It's very easy. We don't realize, but that can take out all the batteries and heat your phone. Okay guys, there could be many other solutions, so these are the principal solution. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.